Good morning from Cambodia sa aking 11,000 followers and sa mga bago lang sa aking page. Ako po si Lani, an overseas Filipino worker na nakabase po dito sa Cambodia. And yes, today is Sunday. Ang OFW's Go Digital ay live po tonight, 8 p.m. Philippine time, 7 p.m. Cambodia time. It is a live talk series namin mga OFWs about our journey as digital entrepreneurs. Ang aim po namin dito is to educate and inspire other fellow OFWs na mag-set up ng digital business para magkaroon ng another source of income or side hustle na makakasupplement sa ating OFWs income para makatulong na masecure po natin yung ating future at yung future ng ating pamilya. At ang topic po namin for tonight's episode is about the skills na dapat i-acquire ng overseas workers who want to explore into digital business para mag-succeed sa competitive digital landscape. Yun lamang po. See you tonight!